All right. What another bloody day in the market today. We've been watching this drop from the all-time highs here. And yesterday, I told you be cautious because we saw them come in and buy towards the end of the day. It was looking strong, but I told you CPI was coming this morning. CPI dropped 4.2%, the largest in 3 years. So this is the highest inflation we've had in 3 years. It's above the average. The average inflation is 4%. I got a whole presentation on generational wealth coming and talking about inflation and how it kills your account. But we're gonna pay attention to this. Inflation today was even higher than that. So we have to pay attention to what's happening here with this candle. We closed right on the lows. We closed really just 10 cents off the lows. So I don't even consider that a difference. We're closing right on the lows here, right on top of our support line here at 725. And you can see even after hours now, we're at 723. So today, Wednesday, June 10th, we're looking at, tomorrow, Thursday, this going lower. And I'm going to show you a couple reasons why in a second. But what I want you to pay attention to is as we were moving up and having this huge move up, volume was just dying. All the money was being pulled out the market. So now that, all of this selling is happening, there's no one here to support it. So that's what we're watching. That's what we pay attention to on the market report to make sure we're setting ourselves up for success because when the market is going up, it lifts all boats. And when it's coming down, it's going to pull them down right with it. So you want to pay attention to this volume. This big drop here in volume was a problem. I've been calling it for over a month now. And now it's coming home to roost, right? So our next level down, 697. But there's one in between it that we don't see yet. We put our moving averages on the chart. This is my 50-day moving averages, the orange line. That's really our next target here, 719, 720. If we don't hold that and we close below that, then we're headed right back to the old all-time highs right around 700, okay? So that's what we're looking at. VIX, oh boy, VIX is just moving on up, just like the Jeffersons, right? I told you, we're probably going to get to fill this gap on the VIX this week, which is at 24.34. Looks like we're going to be able to do that probably tomorrow. And the big reason why I'm saying that is if we flip on over to one more chart before I go, the Oracle chart here, we'll take the moving averages off. You can see Oracle had earnings, they beat, but they also announced that they're going to spend another 20 billion on AI. This is on top of Google's 80 billion that they're borrowing, and they're borrowing money to do this. They're not using this out of their cash flow. So they've got to go out, borrow money, go more in debt just to get AI, and they're still not making any money. Market doesn't like that combination, right? So Oracle down 9% here after hours. It's looking like 180 is their support. I don't think that's going to hold in the morning. We're probably going to drop down to the 155 gap here on Oracle. So we're going to pay attention to that.